That is a really interesting and different approach that
That's
I've not
stated?
guess we will meet that.
Mm,
There wasn't a whole lot of detail, but one of the really interesting things was on post-mission disposal, where they're gonna launch, as they do now, these data centers sort of at a very low orbit, and if they don't work, they'll just sort of immediately deorbit. But for the ones that do work and they are able to orbit raise, the plan is either to dispose of them in a disposal altitude above 2,000
mm,
kilometers, which is permitted by the commission rules, but is sort of underreported because no one does it.
yeah,
The other option is they'll, and I don't know how this will work, they'll dispose it into the sun. So that is a really interesting and different approach that
that's
I've not
stated.
seen before. Yeah, I think they said it heliocentric disposal or something like that.
So
The right orbit.
that's not credible. It is incredibly hard to make things hit the sun. So that is a really interesting statement for them to make, knowing it would be looked at. To hit the sun, you have to basically eliminate all of the Earth's angular momentum around the sun, which is a lot because
Yeah,
we've
I
been
would
floating around the
imagine.
sun for a long time. So that is really interesting that would be in there. But point being that the idea that you could use a low Earth orbit satellite's propulsion system to escape Earth's orbit and impact the sun is pretty comical.